The Jio network comes with a suite of Jio applications, including Jio Cinema, Jio Music, and Jio TV. Along with the Jio Prime subscription, the full suite of applications is free, and customers may enjoy all of these apps on these apps for free. If the user takes the full subscription on monthly per year plans available in Jio Fiber services. Jio TV Plus is a Jio set-top box content aggregator app enabled through Jio Fiber that brings together TV shows, movies, video and live TV channels from well-known apps like Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, Sony Live, Z5, Sun NXT, and many more. This is in contrast to Jio TV app, which has live TV channels only on smartphones through the Jio Mobility Network.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and activate bell icon for more updates.